Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by adding your account so Mail can fetch messages. Open the Mail app, choose Add Account, and pick your provider. If it's not listed, choose Other and select a map or POP. Enter your full email address and password, then give this account a short name so you recognize it later. Once done, Mail will verify settings. If prompted, confirm incoming and outgoing server details. Make sure to enable Mail Sync and any folders you want copied to your Mac. Now customize how Mail behaves and looks so you can work faster. Create custom mailboxes and smart mailboxes to auto-sort by sender, subject, or date, and designate VIPs for priority alerts. Open Preferences to set signatures for each account, choose Fetch Schedule or Push, and configure message threading and preview lines. Also set rules to auto-move, flag, or forward messages. Once configured, test by sending yourself a message to confirm signatures, rules, and notification settings are working as intended. Complete the workflow by composing and sending messages, then using Mail's search and filters to find content quickly. Click Compose to write, use the formatting toolbar to style text, and attach files or scan documents directly. When you need an email, combine sender, subject, mailbox, and date filters. If messages don't sync or send, check the account settings and outgoing SMTP server, verify keychain saved passwords, and ensure internet connectivity. If issues persist, restart Mail and sign out, then back into the account to refresh.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.